Hello everybody, this is my Project 1 revisions. To start, I will start my project reflection, and what my reflection really was how I put together my letters, how I uh, put all my information that I've known using Wilson products into my letters, which helped me a lot because when I the information that I knew was very helpful when I was writing my complaint letter because I have been complaining about the products for about 3 or 2 years now. And so, what I added into my reflection was concepts from chapter 6, like said in my feedback from our professor. And what I put was my moves reflect on principles of design because my letters are balanced, consistent, and have great grouping. The balance of each letter brings out how professional the letters are, professional and no, not all over the place. For example, the colors and the style are consistent, so the letters are not too flashy. Revisions I needed to make in my letters were I had to make sure that I included the inside address for all three letters. And what I realized was I did have all my uh, inside addresses, but on my third letter, I didn't put it. So I revised it and I put it there. And on my first one, uh, to clarify my purpose, I bolded out what the Lobo program was complaining about, how the bats and the gloves are not going up to expectation. My complaint letter, I needed to make sure my labels were consistent and referenced. These two pictures were used from my camera roll. So, as a reference, I put myself. So, there was no taking pictures from people and stuff. Thank you for listening.